In this video, we'll see how to divide any line segment in the given ratio. So here it's given to us AB is equals to 6 centimeter and we'll be dividing it in the ratio of 4 is to 3. So let's take our ruler and draw a line segment that measures 6 centimeters. So here we go, making 6 centimeters. That's our 6 centimeters. We remove it. Let's name it A. And let's call this point as B. Now, what's the next step? That we are going to draw an acute angle below AB such that BA, and let's call this endpoint as X, such that BAX is some acute angle. Then now we'll see what's the sum of the ratio. That's 4 plus 3 equals to 7. So that's the number of arcs that we are going to draw on AX. So let's pick up our compass, place it at the point A, resize it, and shift a bit, take a color different so that it's seen clearly. Let's lock it and mark it the first distance on AX. Now we'll keep exactly the same radius and cut the second arc. So at A, we had taken some radius and cut the arc at the first green point here. Then taking the same radius, we have a second arc cut on AX. Then from here, that's our third arc. We have to go 7 such arcs, which is the sum of the ratio. We have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our 6th one. And this would be our last, the 7th one. So let's name them as A1. This is my point A2. That's the point, let's call it A3. That's the point called as A4. That we'll call it A5, then A6, and then last is A7. Why 7? Because that's the sum of the ratios here. We'll be joining the last point, that is A7, to the end point of a line segment. Like this. Yes. Then we'll pick our compass back again, place it over A7, and it's just fiddling here and there. Okay, we take some radius and cut the arc on both the arms, that is AX and BA7. After doing that, we'll come to the 4th point, which is in the ratio. I need 4 parts first. So this is my 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and the 4th part. That's my interest is A4. We'll come with A4 as a point and radius equals to the previous one. We'll cut the arc here on AX such that I can draw a parallel line from A4. I'll go back to the arc made over here. Let's see how much is the width of this angle and measure it on my compass. Yeah, that's it. We'll come back here, place my compass here, turn this side to get the width equal to measured here. That's we have done. So we are drawing line parallel to A7B from A4. Why did we do that? Because we know when the lines are parallel in a triangle, When a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Now, what do we see here? BAA7 is a triangle, and A4C, let's call this point C, is parallel to BA7. We have constructed it parallel. Why they are parallel? Because this angle is exactly the measurement over here. That making a corresponding angle over here forms these two lines as parallel. That is CA4 parallel BA7. When the lines are parallel like this in a triangle, it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4 points, 4 portions up here and 3 portions down here. So this is also my 4:3. So we verify our construction since CA4 parallel to A7B, therefore A4 over B A7 equals to AC over CB, which is equals to 4:3. So we proved AC ratio CB is in the ratio of 4:3. That's equal to, sorry about that, that's equal to, that is 4:3. We did see that a line is divided in the ratio that is 4:3. So this is the method that we can divide any line segment in the given ratio. Thank you.